Welcome to Jakarta. Are you ready to experience the authentic flavors of Betawi cuisine? Today we're introducing just a few of the many delicious traditional Betawi dishes.
From the heart of Jakarta, a blend of nature's finest spices, crafted into a vibrant, soothing tradition. Beer Play Talk, pure, natural, and full of life.
Dive into the soul of Betawi with a broth that tells a story. Enriched with the perfect blend of creamy coconut and fresh milk. A symphony of spices and tender beef, simmered to perfection. Soto Betawi, a crown jewel of flavor in every glorious spoonful.
In the heart of Jakarta, a symphony of fresh vegetables and textures, united by a rich velvety peanut sauce. Gado Betawi, pure culinary artistry. From the heart of Betawi, a symphony of simple, fresh ingredients. Sayur Besan, a taste of home.
From humble beans to a tender delicacy, simmered in a rich spiced semur sauce. Semur Jengkol Khas Betawi, a celebration of flavor and heritage.
In the heart of Jakarta, a flavor that defines a culture. Rich coconut, aromatic spices, and fresh herbs. Laksa Betawi, a taste of home. A symphony of fresh, crisp vegetables, drenched in a rich, spicy, sweet peanut sauce. Asinan Betawi, a taste of Jakarta in every bite.
At every wedding, there's a star of the feast, but this one has a mind of its own. The softest predator you'll ever meet.
In the heart of Jakarta's night, a timeless flavor is born. Mastery in every flip. A symphony of savory and crispy. This is Karak Taylor, Jakarta's iconic street food joy.
Ever tried the crown jewel of Jakarta? Fluffy coconut rice, crispy fried chicken, and a symphony of flavors. It's Nasi Uduk Betawi. Simple, authentic, and absolutely divine.
From fresh catch to fiery fry, a symphony of spices is born. Simmered to perfection, a deep, dark treasure. Gabus Puchang, the soul of Betawi.
Layers of pure artistry straight from Jakarta's heart. A traditional sweet that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Drenched in rich coconut and palm sugar syrups. Selendang Mayang, sweet, creamy, and utterly refreshing.
Those are just a few of the many traditional Betawi dishes. Visit Jakarta and enjoy the authentic flavors and unique culinary heritage of Betawi culture.